In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old order history on Amazon. Here's the important thing to know up front. Amazon doesn't let you permanently delete past orders. What you can do though is archive them. Archiving hides orders from your default order history so they're out of sight in everyday views, which is perfect for privacy or simply keeping things tidy. You can still access archived orders later if you need them, but they won't clutter your main list. Start by opening Amazon.com in a browser and signing into your account. At the top right, open the Accounts and Lists menu, then choose Your Orders. This page shows your recent purchases. Take a moment to scroll and locate the order you want to hide. When you find it, look for the Archive Order option on that order's card, click it, confirm if you're asked, and that order will move out of your default history. Think of this like moving a file into a private folder. It's still there if you ever want to look it up, but it won't appear in your everyday order list. A quick reminder here, archiving does not permanently remove the order from your account, from receipts, or from Amazon systems. It only hides it from the main Your Orders view. You can view archived items anytime, but for most people, archiving is all you need to keep things discreet and organized. If you're working on a computer, there's a helpful way to handle lots of older purchases quickly. While you're on the Your Orders page, use the date filter near the top to jump to a specific time frame, such as past 3 months or a full year, like 2025. Loading one time period at a time makes it easier to review what you bought during that window. As each set of orders appears, archive the ones you no longer want showing in the default list. This is especially useful if you're preparing a shared device for guests, keeping gifts private, or just trimming a long history. Keep in mind that Amazon currently allows archiving up to 500 orders. That's plenty for most people, but it's good to be aware of the limit if you're tackling years of purchases. Work through your history in manageable chunks and focus on the items you most want to hide. That's it. Sign in, go to Accounts and Lists, open your orders, find the purchase, and choose Archive Order. Use the date filter on desktop to speed things up. While you can't delete orders outright, archiving is the practical way to keep your main history clean and your private purchases out of view.